Hello everyone, welcome back to Japanese IRL, where I'll be introducing a Japanese word or phrase that I've heard in real life. And if you're a returning subscriber, so Koubako Zuwari is not the most practical of words, I understand that, but I just couldn't resist. It's pretty amazing. Koubako Zuwari means meatloaf mode, or like catloaf mode. You know how a cat sits and turns into a meatloaf? That.
This is Resner, my sweet little kitty cat, and he is demonstrating a Koubako Zuwari. And I know I need to vacuum, but yes, perfect Koubako Zuwari. Could use a tail curl, but very nice.
Koubako is an incense box, but when I googled Koubako, all that came up was Koubako Zuwari, like cat sitting in a meatloaf position. Upon further digging, I did find a picture of an incense box, a koubako, so I guess they exist. Koubako means incense box, and Suwari, or which becomes Zuwari when it's connected to the word, it means to sit. So Koubako Zuwari, sitting like an incense box. Like with a dog, you would say Osuwari when you want the dog to sit. I think I've gone like 12 years in Japan without hearing this word, and the first time I heard it or recognized that I heard it was the MomoTenKuu YouTube channel, and I think it's called MomoTenKuu YouTube channel now. I'll link it down below. There's 3 of them now. It used to be just 2. Now there's 1 dog and 2 cats. And this channel showed up on my YouTube page, and I clicked on it, and Resner was mesmerized. It's his favorite channel. He loves to watch it, and now Tati does too. I actually do learn a lot of Japanese on there. There is English, so I think it's a great way to kind of study Japanese and learn about life in the Japanese countryside, and of course animals, why not? And one day, Ku, the newest member, was sitting in a Koubako Zuwari, and she commented on it, and I died. I would love to see your examples or experiences with Koubako Zuwari in the comment section down below, and if you have a kitty cat, try using the hashtag Koubako Zuwari, maybe either in Romaji, or you can actually use it in Japanese, and maybe more people will find your picture and love it. Yeah. The show notes are in the description box below for your convenience. Yeah. Please subscribe and ring that little notification bell for more Japanese IRL. YouTube's algorithms don't really like these short little ad-free videos, so please be sure to do that, and it will let you know when there's a new video from Neko Mimi and myself for you. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.